Cheers, this is Sam Lehin. Happy Veterans Day, and as a person who does threat analysis, I need to warn you one more time that doing cybersecurity, offensive cybersecurity operations from your own home is insane. Do not do this. Doesn't matter how many VPNs you have, your geolocation will leak anyway. Just believe me, it will leak. There are heuristic analysis and other types of analysis, and people just do mistakes. And in the city, people are not that much protected. Who protects people? Police department? But geolocation is clearly open for everybody. Different situation if somebody goes to military units in unknown geolocation coordinated by the government. That's a different situation. I have no idea how it works, but it's definitely a different situation. But attacking from home, just don't do this. This is insane.